Impossible thing number 6, establishing a great work-life balance. Just kidding. Take very few leaves out of Elon's book, to be honest. But one thing that he said, probably quite some time ago now, that actually stuck with me, is that Rome wasn't built in 40 hours a week. I think he had a point. Doing a startup is a marathon and a sprint at the same time. You're always sprinting to the next milestone, the next objective, the next piece of finance, whatever it might be. But you have to have an incredible long-term vision and roadmap ahead of you to either be able to justify the pace at which you're moving to today, or to demonstrate the size of the business that you will become in the future. And I will say, myself and my co-founder are incredibly grateful to our families and how much they've been able to support us in everything that we've been able to do. We've also seen that across the wider team. So really, a joke I occasionally make is everybody's part of Space Forge, they just don't realize it yet. And that's because it's just so much more than the company itself to actually make this work. It's the stakeholders in this room, it's audience members, it's investors, it's people at home, people that are willing to, even give you a lift when you're stuck in Farnborough late at night. It's an incredible team sport, and I think this industry really demonstrates how much of a team sport it is, because it was even touched on actually at the breakfast this morning. Sometimes people are your competitors, sometimes they're your collaborators. This has to be an incredibly collaborative industry, not least because compared to other industries, it's quite small, but also because it's incredibly global. There are companies in this room which have got headquarters all around the world. And they all work together, regardless of what might be going on elsewhere, to be able to work together. And I think that's just an incredibly important thing that we see, and we don't see it everywhere.